Silence everything around you for a moment. I need your full attention now, just you and me. There's something I need to share with your heart. In the past few days, I've heard every word you've spoken. Not a single plea went unnoticed. Even if you can't see it, I am at work, realigning what seemed lost and turning your pain into resilience. Yes, I know exactly what you're facing. I'm aware of those who wish to see you fall. Some even cheer for your failure, but you were never created to give up. Be courageous. Shift your focus away from what tries to paralyze you and fix your eyes on what lifts you up. Look closely. Can you feel it? My presence is right there, constant, real, alive. This moment is different, unique. Close your eyes for a second. Take a deep breath. I'm filling every corner that once felt empty. My peace never fails. It remains unshaken. Stay close to me. Hold on tight. Don't let go. I've never let go of you, not even for a moment. I am your father. I believe in you, even when you lose faith in yourself. I hear every sincere cry from my children, those who stand firm even when everything crumbles. And you have a special place in my heart. Your name is kept with me. Many choose to hide my truth. They deny my existence through their actions and their words. Still, I wait, always with open arms, like the father who gazes at the horizon, waiting for the return of his wandering child. And if you ever turned away or drifted far, I want you to know, I'm not here to judge your mistakes. My mission is to restore. And right now I offer you peace, grace, and a new beginning. My mercy is renewed with every sunrise. And today I grant you full forgiveness for all that burdens you. If you hurt someone with your words, make it right. If you broke promises, honor them. If you stumbled, rise again. But please don't repeat the same mistakes. My dear child, I know the storm is intense. That uncertainty surrounds you, but stand strong. This trial is not greater than the strength I've placed inside you. Nothing escapes my sight. Nothing is beyond my will. The situation may seem hard, but you are, and always will be, my miracle. Perhaps at certain times everything feels too heavy. Pain settles in, despair creeps closer. But take a deep breath. Close your eyes calmly and call out to me. A gentle breeze, full of power and grace, will reach the depths of your soul. I will clear the confusion surrounding your thoughts. I offer clarity, wisdom, and peace for the decisions you must make. The storm won't last forever. This difficult season will pass. You are protected. No storm will have the power to destroy you. No evil will be allowed to touch your home. Speak this over your life with assurance. Declare with confidence that I am your Father. Nothing can defeat you, for you are under my protection. Lift your gaze, look beyond the clouds. I'm preparing a place for you in eternity. One day, you will reign with me. Even if many ignore this promise, you are not among them. I know your heart is pure, sincere, and precious in my eyes. Enjoy my presence. Allow yourself to be embraced by this love that is covering your home and your loved ones. May these words bring confidence and calm to your soul. That prayer, whispered through tears, reached me. I remember the exact moment you cried out for help. I was there, and I still am. Don't cry anymore. I bring comfort and abundance. Your future is overflowing with blessings. You were chosen to thrive. Your soul remains joyful, even when your body aches. I'm healing every part of you. Thoughts, emotions, feelings, everything will be restored. My spirit rests upon your life. Nothing that oppresses will remain. Open your heart. Let me work. I've already clothed you in purity and strength. This transformation has already begun. You have access to my power. Chains have been broken. You are free, but declare it. Speak it with faith. When you do, you'll feel a joy beyond explanation, a peace that doesn't come from the world, but from me. Breathe once more. Your walk in faith continues. You are on the right path by trusting. Don't let your dreams fade. They were born in me. Do not extinguish the light I placed inside you. Talk to me every day, not out of duty, but because love draws you near. From now on, you will see each promise taking shape. The battle matures you. I don't make the test harder. I make you stronger. Claim this truth. Declare with boldness. I am strong. I am a child of the Most High. Amen. Don't give up. Don't stop now. I'm right here with you. I am the same one who walked with Moses through the scorching sands, the same who restored Job's fortune, the one who stood with Joseph when he was left behind by all. I am still the God who fulfills every promise. The miracle you've been waiting for, I will perform it, and it will exceed your request. Greater than anything you can imagine. There won't be enough words to describe what I'm preparing for. Your journey, those who mocked, those who doubted, will witness the transformation. My glory will shine through your life. You will be a vessel, a voice, a beacon. But for that, allow me to shape you. I'm working deep within you. Clay cannot take form without the potter's hands, and I, with care and patience, am molding you. With precision. That sorrow that has weighed down your days is coming to an end. That silent emptiness no one else sees. I'm filling it now. My love is taking over every part of your being. I know the burden has been heavy. I know you've cried in silence, but hear this, you're not alone, you never were. I know every tear you've shed in secret. Now is the time for healing, for renewal, for restoration. Don't give up, don't walk away, there's still so much ahead of you. Today I bring closure to your suffering. My spirit rests upon you right now. Feel it. A peace the world cannot offer is embracing your heart, your mind, your soul. My mercy surrounds you. My true love covers you. I am the Father who upholds you, the Shepherd who leads you, the Creator who knows you completely. I'm restoring your emotions, pulling pain out from the root. Sorrow turns into joy. Grief makes way for hope. You will see with your own eyes how I walk beside you at every step. My care will never fail. I give you gifts. I equip you with unique abilities. Your life will be a light in the darkness. Many will try to tear you down. Even those close to you might turn away, but you will press on. You will endure, and nothing will hold you back. Stand firm. Don't allow negativity to poison your soul. Don't let the voices trying to dim your light take root. Stay away from what harms you, what pulls you from peace. Don't return evil with harsh words. Don't fight battles that aren't yours. I will handle that. The justice that comes from me is precise. You don't need to raise your voice. Silence the critics. Let go of judgment and trust. I see it. All your mission isn't to strike back. It is to be a vessel of kindness, a bridge of hope. Many say they are by your side, but hide intentions far from truth. Do not become like them. Don't seek faults in others while ignoring your own. He who judges will be judged. Watch your behavior. Guard your words. Your essence is sacred. You were chosen to bless, not to wound. Set apart to bring relief, not bitterness. Your words carry weight. Let them bring life, not destruction. To proclaim truth, one must live with integrity. The world is full of talkers. Few live what they speak. I know your sincerity. I know goodness dwells in your heart. Keep doing what's right. Care for those you love. Love sincerely, and hold your faith strong even when everything seems to fall apart. Rise up, take a deep breath, and smile. It's a new beginning. You matter. You are precious to me. Whenever you need me, I'll be here. Don't hesitate. When you seek me, you'll find me. With arms wide open, I'm near, I'm with you. Do not be afraid, do not doubt. I came to sustain, to lift, and to restore. Your story does not end here. What once stole your sleep, I've already resolved. You know exactly what I'm referring to. I heard you. I saw your pain. But now I ask you to release that burden. Stop trying to control everything around you. Rely on me. The strength I placed within you is not small. You are far stronger than you believe. Walk beside me. Don't look back. Don't be swayed by the distractions of this world. I am the one who strengthens your faith, and you will stand firm. Speak it out loud, believe, wait. Keep praying. The right time is coming, and it will be beautiful. Many blessings are on their way. Every storm will pass. What today feels like pain, tomorrow will become a testimony. Just stay calm and trust me. Do not be discouraged. Do not retreat. I am here, right next to you. I'm not a distant God. I know every detail of your life, even those you've never told anyone. I know about your financial struggles, your silent tears in the still of night. I know the aches in your body, the unrest in your soul. But now I want you to open your heart to me, listen to my voice. It brings direction, healing, and peace. Come closer. Let my light shine into your darkness and transform everything around you. At the perfect time, I will bring peace where there is turmoil. Your faithfulness will be rewarded. I see the trust you held onto even in your hardest moments. I am the God of the impossible. What I've done for others, I will do for you. Not just in your life, but in the lives of those you love, your parents, your children. Your entire household will be touched by my grace. Wait patiently. Don't lose yourself in the shortcuts the world offers. They may seem easier, but they pull you away from what truly matters. Keep seeking my presence. Pray. Read my word with care. Don't get lost in hollow teachings or temporary promises. What I've prepared for you is eternal, unshakable, and true. Keep believing. Never forget, you are stronger than you think. The power I've placed within you is supernatural. Use it. Face your fears with courage. Your doubts will not defeat your faith. Don't fear the future. I'm already there. I've opened doors. I've cleared paths. You are not alone. I am your refuge, your shelter, your provider. If the world tries to silence you, remember, you are called to shine, to carry comfort, love, and hope. Stop trying to control what isn't in your hands. You are in my hands, and in them you are safe. Trust me, even when you can't understand what I'm doing. I am the God who provides, protects, and never leaves. Don't exhaust yourself with worry. Don't feed anxiety. Rest in me. Give me your thoughts, your heart, your days. I'm taking care of everything. Keep going. Don't stop. Your faith is growing. Your soul is being renewed. And everything happening now has a purpose. One day, you'll see that every detail was part of my plan. If this message touched your heart, like this video and subscribe to the channel so our message of faith and hope can reach more people. Comment below your name or the name of someone you love, and we'll lift every name in prayer. May God's light guide your path, and together, in prayer, may we be strengthened and blessed.